A data analyst is implementing a new rating based on an old rating of medium, low, and high. The scores here correspond to the new rating table that is found here, such that if we get, for example, a value like high of 363, which is corresponding between 363 and 367 here, should be returned as high. The values here, when they correspond to the ranges of the lower and the upper limits, should return medium on column C. So we'll use a combination of if and through a process called nesting functions. So I'll write equals to if, then and. Then the first argument is if this cell is I'll start with the medium. If this cell is medium and the score is between 1093 and 1097, then I'll return medium. So I'll start if this cell is equals to medium and 2, this cell is greater or equals to the cell containing medium. So I'll pick this and log that. Then comma, this cell here is less or equals to the upper limit for medium. Then I'm going to log that. If all the three cells or all the three criteria is met, then I'll return that cell as medium. Then like that. That is the first argument. The second argument will be about the low. So, comma, if, so I'll start with if, then and. Now, if this cell here, I'm going to evaluate for low is equals to low, and then 2, the score here is greater or equals to the lower limit for low, and I'm going to log that. And then the third argument is whether this cell here is less or equals to the upper limit for low, like that. And I'm going to log that cell. If we meet those criteria, then I'm going to return this as low. Then the third one is if. So the third logical function is, I need to correct some of this so that my formula is correct. Then if and in the bracket, if this cell here, I'll go for high, is equals to high, 2, this cell here is greater or equals to the lower limit for high, log that cell, comma, and this cell for the score is less or equals to the upper limit for high, log that. If all that is met, then I'll return it as high. You type it as it is, as high, like that, comma, anything else that doesn't meet my criteria here will be out of range, like that. Then I need to close. So I'll look at I've closed. If you open 3 times, you need to close 3 times. So I'll close 1, 2, 3. Then press enter. Then close this and copy downwards. Now you'll see that it's medium here, but the 363 is based on the high values. This is also out of range because it's high, but the score here 688 is outside all this, so that's why it's out of range. This is high because it's within the range of 363, which is 363 to 367. You can apply this in your example using the if and for all your function arguments. Thanks for watching.